Good morning, guys. Today we are going to discuss some MCQ regarding the Factory Act, which is comes under the management subject from the third year diploma engineering management. Now we are going to discuss the Factory Act MCQ. Now we are going to start directly with the MCQs. Suppose first question is which of the following See, which of the following is the maximum interval period to review the minimum rate of wages? Now, see again, which of the following is the maximum interval period to review the minimum wages of the minimum rates of wages? First option is 1 year, second option is 2 year, third option is 3 year, and last one is the 5 year. Now, the maximum interval period to the review the minimum rates of wages is the 5 year. See, the answer is 5 years. Now, move towards the second question. The Minimum Wages Act comes into the force on which at the following dates? Now, see the question again. The Minimum Wages Act comes into the force on which at the following dates? First option is 1 Jan 1948. Second option is 1 March 1948. Third option is 15 Jan 1948. Last option is 15 March 1948. Now, the Minimum Wages Act comes into the force on the date is 15 March 1948. See the answer, 15 March 1948. Now we are moving towards the next question. In any scheduled employment employing dash dash or more person, the Minimum Wages Act is applicable. Now, see the question again. In any scheduled employment employing dash dash or more persons, the Minimum Wages Act is applicable. Now, the first MCQ is 10, second is the B20, third is the C5, and last is the D1. In any scheduled employment employing or a more person, the Minimum Wages Act is applicable to? Yes, applicable to 1. Okay. Now the next one is grievance retrieval committee should be established in every factory employing at least dash dash or more workers. See, these are MCQs as are really important for your MSBT exam. So look into it seriously. These videos, students, hello. Just grievance retreat committee should be established in every factory employing at least dash dash or more workers. First option is 10, second is 20, third is a 30, and fourth one is a 50. Now see, grievance retreats committee should be established in every factory. For every factory, the grievance committee employing at least dash dash or more workers. So the suppose first question is the answer is the maximum interval period to review the minimum rate of wages. The answer is 5 years. Now, in the similar way, the committee grievance should be established in every factory employing at least dash dash